Hello and welcome to Surveillance Bridge. In this video, we'll show you how to use the standard surveillance bridge to recover from a recording storage disaster. We have a demo environment where Surveillance Bridge is currently running. To protect our VMS recordings, we have also set up and enabled a disaster recovery policy, which has replicated the source folder with the recordings to a container in the cloud called VMS. You can find more information about setting up disaster recovery for Surveillance Bridge in a separate video. Now, let's assume that we've lost our data due to some kind of a failure. To recover, you can install Surveillance Bridge, if not already installed, and set it up for work with a new storage volume on the same machine or on a different one. Once that is done, you can open Surveillance Bridge and configure a source folder. This is going to be the location of your recordings. For target configuration, select the provider you previously used and enter the keys and data it requires. You should also choose the same bucket or container that was set up on the damaged source. When you click Apply, you can decide what to do with data that resides on the specific container in the cloud. If you select No Action, your recordings will remain on the cloud and available to download manually whenever you need them by going to the cloud portal. Full disaster recovery will trigger an immediate download of all data, but it may be very time-consuming. Light disaster recovery will index all of your files and download only their metadata. The actual copying from the cloud will remain on demand. We will select this option as it is the most cost-friendly and least time-consuming. Once the configuration is applied, Surveillance Bridge will enter paused mode. Click Resume to continue its work. In a short time, you can see how your recordings start to appear on the new storage volume. Every time your VMS needs some of them, they will be downloaded right away. The rest will remain in the form of 0-byte stub files and not actually occupy any space on the local disk. Make sure disaster recovery is enabled again so your future recordings can also be replicated to the cloud, ensuring you can recover from any further potential failures. This concludes our video showing you how to recover from a recording storage disaster with the help of Surveillance Bridge. Thank you for viewing.